Hello, Jim Tech Buzz. New product in. This time we've got the Emporia Smart 4, which has gone on sale on Post. So this is a smartphone for the older generation, if you will. And this is what it's going to look like when you get it. It's pretty nice packaging. So if you're informed about the brand, they have got these smartphones that have a simple layer of applications here, as you can see, to make life simpler and not have a lot of sub menus popping up and all that kind of stuff. And short, it just makes life a lot easier. You've got WhatsApp built in, you have a training book, IP54, Android 10, you have an emergency button, USB Type-C, 13 and 8 megapixel cameras and NFC. So you can do everything on them, but it's kept simple, which is the important thing, as you would have seen from our previous reviews, but we'll have a full review of this soon. So this is just a quick first look and unboxing. So let's check it out. And that is the presentation there, which is really nice. And you get your training book here. So this will give you a step-by-step guide on how to set it up and all that kind of stuff, but we're going to go through that later. Anyway, you have got a Google Pay explanation here. So if you're into using contactless payments, it's something you need to look at. You've got your installation manual here, and you have got the phone here. So you also got a spare back case, which is really nice. You have a removable battery, which is something you don't see too often these days. You have got your USB-A to USB-C case or cable, your charging brick here with the Emporia branding, and you get a set of earbuds thrown in as well, which is really nice. And they have got an inline control on them there. That's basically it. So you're good to go out of the box. So let's have a look at the phone itself. So on the front here, you've got a 5-inch display, emergency, 13.8 megapixel cameras, USB Type-C, Android 10, IP54, and of course your NFC and your replaceable battery there. So let's take off the plastic. And that's it there. So that's what it looks like here. So up front, on the back here, you can see you've got your emergency button, you've got a flash and a camera, speaker grill on the bottom with the Emporia branding. And on the side here, you've got your keys, which are slightly raised. Well, the volume toggle is, and this one is more or less flat, but you can see they do recess kind of off the main frame there. Your mic on the bottom, nothing on the left. Your headphone jack and USB-C port up on top, and that's basically what it looks like there. So quickly pop in the battery, and you get a 2500 milliamp hour battery. So let's take off the back cover. So that's what it looks like here inside, and pop in the battery, and job done. It's got a nice matte finish on the back here. It's not slippy, which is nice, and it does have a bezel top and bottom, but it's simple. And we got your main keys there on the bottom, and this is your power key on the side, and you can see the screen turning on there. And it's not heavy either. It's a nice light, but it's still got a nice build, and it feels nice in the hand, particularly this matte finish. It's not slippy, which is cool. So that's it. You get set up from there. So we're going to go on and check it out from here. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know, and we'll be back after with a full review and our walkthrough guide, as we always do with these devices, so you don't have to